Hi and welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you a nice FLAKVIERLING. Well, as you can see, I'm in my completely mess called my Lego space, boxes all over the place, a huge amount of disorganized stuff. It's like everywhere. But if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know why. I'm currently trying to get back to a daytime job. I'm going through education of a new, getting a new schooling. Family, everything is taking a lot of time. So therefore it isn't a lot of time to do Lego. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the first things I've put on this channel. It is this one. I made it back then step by step with the bricks with my hands, but a lot of people let me know that they really like videos where I show them the PDFs of how to build stuff. So I'm doing an update on this one, and I'm going to do a video where you're going to show you step by step with PDF building instructions how you can build this pretty cool FLAKVIERLIng. It was designed by Mario Ethier, I think. I will put his name in the description of the video. Let me show you some features. It is able to rotate, it is able to elevate, and you can put 3 minifigs on it. I updated it slightly with some newer parts that weren't available back then or hard to get. Minimal adjustment, so basically it's still the same design. I hope you enjoy it and leave a comment in this video. Also today this video is posted because my channel is it's birthday. I have no idea how many years I'm doing this by now, but yeah, I'm glad that you guys still follow me despite me not being that active anymore. But I hope you enjoyed this one and I hope to see you in the next video. First you will see the parts list, then step by step how to build this one. And if you did build it, please share it on my Instagram. So tag me on Instagram, send me the pics, I don't know, but show it to me so I really know that people like this one. So hope to see you in the next video and start building right now.